Here, it's recording.
Oh, that's right in my vagina.
Dude, there's a car. We're cool. Hopefully they're not pulling in. Dude, Rachel, it goes all the way over here. You can run in front of the camera. Move real quick. No, 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 no. I'm Bethany. What up? We're making a splash video. Like that. I didn't even get any water in my legs are too short. Baby, I'm just a bad girl. Bad girl. Bad girl. Can you imagine if I would have splashed you real hard?
Dang it. God, I suck at this. Let's do it. Like hardcore, get into it. Oh God.
Dude, there's a chubby kid.
Hey! What?
He's acting like he can't hear us.
You should do
what
what
I want to.
Bethany, jump in.
Dude, there's another car. Let's act like we're not doing it.
Ew, I mixed it up and now it's black.
Alright, well this video is probably not amusing to you kiddos, so I think we're gonna turn you off now.
Sorry.
And